Good day, people. Let's have a look at ClickBait Pays. Let me show you how this works and my personal journey so far. So, if you haven't heard about ClickBait Pays, it's a click to pay advertising platform. So, yes, we have been known there's many of them that has come and gone. But let's have a look at ClickBait Pays and what makes them totally different from any other clickbait or paid to advertising service or platform. Right, so my name is Johan Botha. I must just put this to your attention that this is not financial, legal, tax, or crypto advice. Please, you are still obliged to do your own research. You are responsible for that. But let's have a look at ClickBait Pays. And I joined this platform on the 6th of June. So it's just about almost 2 months ago. And let's see what has expired since then. Right, so I'm going to log in. I'm logged in here now. I'm going to go to the dashboard. Also going to explain to you quickly the back office. Right, so once you log in, you'll get to your dashboard. It will look like this. Let's run through this again. This is I joined with the level 2. There's four. Let me start with the packages, ad campaigns. Right, so take note that there's 7 different levels. As you can see here, 7 different levels. Now, each level has got a 10% activation fee, and that you'll find at the activate earnings. You must have a corresponding active ad campaign at each level before you can activate earnings. Right, you only pay this activation fee once off, so you can have multiple times of the same level, but you will only activate that level once off. In other words, the first time that you join that level. So I have active on level 1, on level 2, which I started on level 2, and then I recently upgraded to level 3 from the earnings inside the platform. Right, so that is, you will see level 4 is not active, so it is 10%. So level 4 is $300 and the 10% is $30. A one-time fee. All right, but as you go to the higher levels, you will see that the earnings, it increases. Level 1 is 48 cents, level 2 is 2.83, level 3 is $5.40. There's three ads that you have to click each and every day. Level 1, and then from level 4, there's 5 ads that you have to click. But then your earnings also increase quite a lot, 6.48. Right. Then level 5 is you get 10. So on level 5 you're gonna make $60 on one day by clicking 6 ads, viewing 6 ads for 12 days. And that is basically how ClickBait Pays works. You are going to log in, you're going to click ads, and I'm going to show you now. And you do not have to join those advertising platforms that they are advertising there, but it gives them exposure, and your ad when you join ClickBait Pays, it's going to ask you to advertise your product or your platform as well. So you will also get your own exposure on this platform. Right, let's run through this dashboard quickly. Right, there you can meet the admins in your own time. You can go and check this out. There's YouTube videos there. Short explanation about what it is. Right, so your available balance, this is what you have available. You can either withdraw this funds, you can send it forward to other members to help them to pay it forward, or you can buy new ad campaigns as well. You can have 3 campaigns active at one time. You don't have to have only one. You can have up to 3 active at the same time. And they don't have to be the same level. They can be from different levels. Right, and then in your earned wallets, that is the current, that is still in progress, basically. And then your clicks for today, there's 8 clicks. I've just done 1 today, and I'm going to do the rest on this video. All right, so there's 8 left for today. And the referral earnings just take note that you do not have to refer if you do not want to do that. Right, it is totally optional. So this is one of those platforms that you can do solo. You can do it on your own. You don't have to uh, introduce other people, but you have the choice to do that, and it will just increase your own income as well. The product in this platform is advertising. You are buying advertising space and you are advertising as well. Right, so that is what you are buying. You, as I showed you the levels, you decide which level you want to start in. That gives you more exposure, and as well, you will earn according to those levels. Right, so the total referral earnings, that is, since I've started to, or decided to start referring more people, this is what I've, and that started not long ago. Right, so this will increase obviously as they upgrade or they increase their income. This will also increase. Then the total earned since I've joined is 627 US dollars. All right. Then you will get your referral link and you will be able to view your referrals here from here as well. All right, let's go down to the clicks. You can join the Telegram group, the English one and the Spanish one. This platform is operated or managed from Panama. Right, it originates from the United States of America, but it's managed from Panama. So they are very, very active and helpful and assistant on especially on the Telegram groups, and you can also email them. I have done that already. They are replying. So please take note that here you will get the first tab, your ad campaigns active and on hold. So how this works, you're going to click ads for 12 consecutive days. It depends on what level you are. You can see that there's 3 clicks per day. I currently have a level 1, level 2, and level 3 active, and those all 3 of them gives you 3 clicks per day, 3 ads that you have to view, and you have to claim that for about 15 seconds each ad. Right, we're going to do that practically. I'm going to show you now. This is what you will earn per click, and then it's also the date that you have purchased it. So on the 7th or the 31st of July, I purchased upgraded to level 3 for the first time. Take note that this was a activation as well. Then on the 27th of July, I took out the level 1 because it was available. My available balance was there, and I had space. I had more space there here as well. Because you can only have 3 active campaigns running at the same time. Right, and then on the 9th of June, I activated level 2. This is the activation dates. Yes, that's the activation dates. Right, so you can see currently I have level 1, 2, and 3, which is active, and there at the bottom, recently completed. You can see here level 1 or level 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed already. So the aim or the target is to upgrade to level 4 as quickly as possible, and then start to withdraw more funds from there. Right, so these are the dates when they released. So you're going to click the 3 ads or whatever level you are. You're going to click those ads for 12 consecutive days. Then you're going to wait for 7 days. You will see that they say here all on hold. So let's take, for instance, this one here. It's got 4 days out of 12. So once I complete 12 out of 12, it will go into holding. It will tell you here in holding for 7 days, and it will tell you here as well how many days are left. Right, so once that 7 days expires, that funds becomes available, and it will land on your available balance. And then you can decide to repurchase another level, or withdraw the funds. Just take note, you can only withdraw once every 7 days. The question, why waiting 7 days and why only withdraw once in 7 days? It is because is to sustain the platform. That is the main reason for that. Right, this has been worked out by the owner who has got more than 20 years or 40 years experience in this platforms. So yes, he is originally from America, and he worked it out. They tested this thing. Also, when you do register, you will get a welcoming email where all of those things are explained to you. It is also available on the website, yeah. So please take your time and go and read through that to understand it. It is also on the Telegram groups, but you will find it on your welcoming email as well. Right. So we're going to do the ads. Here you've purchased and activated whatever level you have decided to start with, and you're going to either come here on your dashboard, or you can go to click ads there on the drop down menu. But normally we just go here. So I'm going to carry on where I started this morning. So it's going to open up a new tab. You can see now there's already clicked one, so the rest there's two left. Now take note, when you click the ad, it's going to change to this, and you have to press on open ad. If you do it on a cell phone, you're just going to scroll a little bit up, and then you will also see the open ad. Now there will different sites that are advertised here. You don't have to join these things or stay on the ad for the whole 15 seconds, right? So you just come back, and you can see that at the top is the timer, and then you're going to claim 48 cents for this ad on level 1. And then it jumps back again, and we're going to finish this one. You see, I'm going to press open ad. Going to open into a new window. Now you can either choose to go through these or look at them, or you can go back, and there's timer running out now. And then you're going to click and earn or confirm and earn. Right, so 9 days completed for that level. Now I'm going to level 2. It explains to you per click you're getting $2.83 on level 2. There's 3 clicks, and I haven't done any clicks on this level yet. It's day 8 of 12, so when we complete this, it will be day 9. And this is what I've earned so far from this ad campaign. And the daily earnings on level 2 is $8.48. Completion rate is 67% so far. Right, so we're going to click the ads here in level 2. So you can add or advertise anything that you are promoting, or a product or a service, doesn't matter. As long as it is legal, you can advertise it on this platform as well. Right, you're going to press open ad. This is going to open in a new window. Sometimes it doesn't open, just go back and carry on with the next one, or just refresh and click again. Right, so you don't have to join these. This is absolutely optional. And you can see that the timer is gone. Now you can see level 2 is $2.83. Right, it will process and it will change back there, and then you're going to next ad, open ad. Right, so you can also get more exposure on this platform for your product, services, and other platforms that you are currently active in. Right, there's another one. And the last one for level 2. Okay, so then you go back. You can see it normally takes 15 seconds, so you can either choose to go through those. For the purposes of this video, I just want to show you how the clickbait page works. So yes, you can see here, now it is day 9 out of 12, and I up to 70, from 67 to 75% now, and $81 so far earned. All right, 3 clicks completed, $2.83 per click. Now we're going to go to level 3. Remember, it's your choice where you want to start. You don't have to start at level 1. You can start at level 7 if you have the funds available. The higher you start, the more ads you're going to click and the more income it's going to be. Level 1, 2, and 3 is all got 3 ads per day that you have to click. But if you go higher, it's going to be more ads that you click and more income as well. So you can see level 3, it's only day 4 out of 12 that I completed. Today is going to be day 5. Excuse me. But the daily earnings here is $16.20. And I've earned 33 or earned $64 already on level 3 and 33% completion. Now let's do the ads quickly. So this is how you're going to do it. Exactly the same. All the levels work exactly the same. Only difference is the amount that you're going to claim and the amount of ads you're going to click. Right. So we're going to go back. The timer is running out. And here you're claiming $5.40 per ad on level 3. Obviously, the more ads you have or ad campaigns you have stacked, the more you're going to earn. So the target is to get as many active ad campaigns as possible from the highest ones that you can afford. And do not let the funds lie into your wallet. You can either sponsor other members or you can withdraw the funds. You can also build it up, but you can only have up to 3 active ad campaigns at a time. Right, and there is only one level referral commission. It's only level 1. You don't have to build a big team or team. If you do not want to, you will still earn without any referrals. All right, so we're going to go there. Turn another $5.40. Right, how long does the withdrawals take? My first withdrawal that I tested from the referral income was about 3 to 4, between 3 to 4 hours. It was in my wallet. Everything is done in cryptocurrency. Right, so you can use any wallet that you are comfortable with. I suggest that you do not use exchange wallets. Right, personally, I'm comfortable with SafePal. It's like the name say, it's SafePal. It's a very safe wallet. You just need to have your own 12 words written down and make sure that nobody gets access to those 12 words. Right, so let's have a look. $5.40 claimed for today. Right, people, and that's it. That's what you have to do for the day. You earn $16.20 on level 3. Right now, you can only make one withdrawal every 7 days. So I did make a withdrawal, and let me show you. So go to the withdrawal. This is my current balance. Withdrawal history. This was on the 26th of July. Right, I withdrew. The minimum is $10 that you have to withdraw. And there's a 10% fee as well. And you can see everything is shown for you here. It's transparent. There's your wallet address. And it was paid. Right, so you're going to come in here. You're going to put 10 or whatever. Let's say 50. You can see it gets deducted. 10% gets deducted there. When you want to withdraw, you're going to take note that it says here USDT. That's the amount in USDT. But the withdrawals are not in USDT. It's in either one of these crypto coins. I used BNB, and it was between 3 to 4 hours in my wallet. Right, so that you choose what you want to receive, and you enter your wallet address that you want to receive. You put in your PIN, please take note that when you register, you are asked to create a PIN, 6-digit PIN, that's only numbers. Please do not forget that because you're going to need that to request withdrawals or to make changes to your profile. Right, so that is that. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now you can see it's now 175 in earned wallets. This is not available yet. It has to go through the time to keep the platform sustainable. But in the end of the day, I'm going to earn, or any level 2 earns $101.74. Level 1 is $17.17. Level 3 is $194. All right. So this is what I've got. 4 days left, 3 days left, plus 7. There's about 10 days left for those to pay out for those two. And then another 10 days, and this will only be finished plus the holding period. Right, no, yeah. 7 days, then is day 12 plus is 2 weeks. 2 weeks for this one, 10 days for that one. All right, so that is basically what you're doing there. You can come here, you're going to click ads, it will tell you it's done, or it still needs to be done. Right, and when it goes into holding, it will tell you here as well. Yeah, where it says active. All right. You can have 3 ad campaigns active at a time. It will show here, these are your activated levels. So if I activate level 4, 5, 6, 7, it will also show in this, on this area here. And then your recently completed campaigns. So here it is the proof that that I have completed them. This is the first one, is at the bottom. I just activated level 2 once, and then I repurchased level 2, and then basically stack it. And as soon as you have funds available, you purchase new levels or ad campaigns, the same level or higher. But as I mentioned, we want to get to level 4 as soon as possible, and from there on start making a income there. Right, and this is what I have earned so far, 627. There is a way, is it it's stats, yes, it's stats. Here I can show you total earned 627 in earned wallets, which will be available in a couple of days, is 175 at this moment. All right, so the rest is back into the purchases. All right, and this is the available balance as well. So far, 22 members have registered. They're not activated, all of them. But yes, there is a, let me just show you this one, purchase history. There you can see the total amount is 702. But remember, you must look at the potential. All right, so including the activation is 725. And I started with one level 2 ad campaign of $84. Remember, it's $77 plus 10%, which is $7. And then after that, I purchased level 2s, as you can see here. Level 2s all the way, and then one level 1. It's basically just to increase income. And then level, because you can have 3 active campaigns at a time. So don't let the money, the funds lie there dormant if you can use it. All right, then level 3, I purchased that one. It's $150 for level 3. Obviously, the more you can afford, the better it's going to be for you at the end of the day. And the faster you're going to get to your targets or whatever. All right, just remember that once again, this is for educational and informational purposes, showing you the back office, how it works of Clickbait Pays. Nothing is guaranteed in the space. No one can guarantee you anything. Please make sure that you do not use your food money to put in here, and do not be irresponsible with any money. Please, people, that is very important. Right, so I'm not a financial advisor, tax advisor, crypto or financial income tax advisor. please do your own due diligence and please reach out to the person that invited you or have sent you this video. If you are watching this on YouTube, please consider to like and subscribe and share this video as well. Right, thank you very much. All the details and contact details will be in the description as well if you want to reach out and contact me. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.